Welcome to French Conversations for Beginners. Learn everyday French from Janina, the language teacher, and Joël from France.
Bonjour Joël.
Bonjour Janina.
Ça va?
Ça va?
Oui. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about how to find a place, which of course is a very useful skill. If you're in a new place, you don't know where you are. So we're going to go a bit off the beaten path, and we're going to talk about Joël's hometown, Saint-Étienne.
Saint-Étienne.
Saint-Étienne. It's in the south central France. Central, yeah, near Lyon.
Near Lyon, 60
Okay.
kilometers from Lyon.
Okay. West, right? I think it's west.
Yeah.
All right. All right. So, again, we have to pretend that we don't know each other. All right. So, in this situation, I'm looking for, in this situation, a supermarket. All right. Excusez-moi de vous déranger, monsieur. Où est le supermarché?
Rue Bergson, madame, au numéro 5, je crois.
Oui, je sais. Mais où est le rue Bergson? Là-bas, à droite?
Mais non, madame, juste à côté de la place Jean Jaurès. Vous savez où est la place Jean Jaurès, n'est-ce pas?
Pas vraiment. Où est la place Jean Jaurès?
Allons bon. Écoutez-moi. Vous tournez à gauche et à 500 mètres, vous trouverez le supermarché en face du parc.
Ah, je comprends. Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
Je vous en prie.
All right. Thank you. I got to that supermarket on Rue Bergson, which is Casino is the name of that supermarket, of course, one of the biggest supermarkets. And your family always corrected me at first when I would say casino. Casino. you know?
Casino?
Casino. Well, how did it get that name, Casino?
Because the first shop was opened in a place of a former casino.
Okay. All right, so I'm going to ask you about some of these words and phrases. We're going to break down everything that we did in that dialogue. All right? So, what does déranger mean?
To bother someone, to disturb.
Okay. And so, excusez-moi de vous déranger. That means?
I'm sorry to bother you.
Okay. Vous being formal. All right. And a really important one, of course, où est? Où est?
Where is?
Okay, où est? So I asked, où est le supermarché? Which is?
Where is the supermarket?
Yeah, okay. So we had how do you say, there were a couple words in this dialogue for street. Oh, no, I'm sorry. There was only one that we used, right? Which was what? How do you say street in French?
Rue.
Okay. So, Rue Bergson, okay, is of course a street we're very familiar with. All right. And so then you said back to me, after I said, où est le supermarché? You said to me,
Rue Bergson,
okay.
which is the name of the street. Bergson Street. And I said, Rue Bergson, madame, au numéro 5, je crois.
So what does je crois mean?
I believe.
Okay, good. Okay, so je crois, I believe. That's helpful. And so then what about at like a certain number on a street? You said to me in this case, you said au numéro 5, but it would be whatever number the street that is would be au numéro, right?
Yep.
And then the number. Okay. All right. And so then what does, yes, I know. What does that mean?
Oui, je sais.
Okay. Oui, je sais. Je sais. I know. Je sais. And then in this dialogue, I was lost. I didn't know where I didn't know where that street was, right? So I asked, I said, but where is Rue Bergson? Over there? To the right? Right? So how do you say that?
Mais où est la rue Bergson? Là-bas, à droite?
Okay. À droite. And so what does à droite mean?
To the right?
Okay. And then what about if I said à gauche?
To the left?
Okay. And then just, this wasn't in the dialogue, but what if I said straight ahead? What would that be?
Tout droit.
Okay. Okay. All right. And then you corrected me, and you said, no, madame, which is?
Mais non, madame.
All right. And,
Juste à côté de la place Jean Jaurès.
and that means?
Juste à côté means next.
Okay, just next to. À côté de means next to, right? À
Yeah,
côté. À
just
côté.
next to.
Okay. And then place. Place Jean Jaurès. And that means?
Place is a square.
Mm-hmm. Just like plaza in Spanish, or like, what do you call it in German? It's something else too, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's all the same idea, and then it's the piazza in Italy. It's the same
Piazza.
idea, that square, and then, okay. And then you asked me where the Jean Jaurès Plaza is, the Place Jean
Vous
Jaurès, don't
savez
you?
où est la place Jean Jaurès, non?
Okay. All right. And then I said, not really.
Non, pas vraiment.
And then again we asked, where is the Place Jean Jaurès? So,
Where is la place Jean Jaurès?
in French?
Où est la place Jean Jaurès?
So that's really easy. Où est? Where is? Où est? All right. And then, okay. And then you told me you said, all right then.
Allons bon.
And you said, listen.
Écoutez.
And you said, you turn to the left.
Vous tournez à gauche.
And then you said, after 500 meters,
À 500 mètres,
you are at the supermarket.
vous avez le supermarché.
Actually, I think you said something different when we talked about that. You said, vous...
Trouverez.
Yeah,
You will find.
you will find. Okay. But if you were saying you were at the supermarket, you would say, vous avez le supermarché. And you will find is what? Vous
Trouverez.
trouverez. Okay. And then I said, je comprends. Yes, I understand. Okay, another helpful courtesy thing. Thank you very much, sir.
Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
And then you said something very French to me, very nice, very polite.
Je vous en prie,
Okay.
madame.
All right. So let's go through again a more of these words and phrases. So, how do you say disturb or bother?
Déranger.
How do you say at a certain number of the street?
Au. Numéro.
And I know is.
Je sais.
And then just.
Juste.
Okay. All right. Let's go. All right then. What is that? How do you say that?
Allons.
Okay. And what's the command form? Listen. Formal. Listen.
Écoutez.
All right. And street.
Rue.
Command form for turn.
Tournez.
Okay. And then how about on the left or to the left?
À gauche.
And again or still.
Encore.
Okay. And how about have? Like when you said, "Oh, there you are at the," there was a certain way that we use the verb have to say like you're there at the supermarket. Vous avez.
Vous avez.
Okay. Avez. And then the thing you said before, you will find.
Vous trouverez.
Okay. And then opposite.
En face.
De. En face de.
En
And then
face de.
how about next to?
À côté de.
Okay. How about the park?
Le parc.
And then how about not really?
Pas vraiment.
And I think.
Je crois.
All right. So what are some other helpful things that I know it's really difficult to ask for directions in a new place because you don't know where you are at all. So we hit a lot of the big ones. So où est, where is. We have on the left, which is.
À gauche.
We have on the right.
À droite.
We have turn.
Tournez.
We have listen.
Écoutez.
Okay. So we have those big ones. Oh, and I'm sorry. Go straight, which is not in this dialogue, is?
Tout droit.
Okay. What are some other helpful things that people would really need to know? Some basic things that you think people should know in French who want to be able to talk about directions?
A roundabout. A rond-point.
Okay. So if you're driving, that's important.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Un rond-point.
All right. At the roundabout. Okay, good. What are some other ones?
Le trottoir.
What's that?
The pathway.
Yeah.
Side of the street where
Can you say that
walk.
word again?
Le trottoir.
Yeah. Okay. What would the equivalent of that be in English?
The pathway.
Okay.
The walk side. Walk board.
The walkboard? No. Do you mean the sidewalk?
The sidewalk.
Yes. Okay, sorry. In the States, we definitely say sidewalk. I was trying to figure out if that was sidewalk or crosswalk. So it's not the one you're crossing the street. It's on the side of the street where people are walking. Say it again, please, in French.
Le trottoir.
Okay, thank you. All right.
The one you use to cross the streets is the passage piéton.
Okay, yeah.
Passage, ouais.
All right. And some other things that you think people would need to know for getting around. So we had how about stop? How do you tell someone to stop somewhere?
Arrêter.
Okay. All right. How about traffic lights, for example? What might you say?
Feu.
Okay.
Like a fire.
Yeah. All right. Okay. And then, of course, we had those important things of courtesy. I thanked you.
Merci beaucoup.
And then you very politely had a nice...
Je vous en prie.
Okay. But if it were really informal, if I were, say, asking your mom, she would say, and I said, oh, merci beaucoup, Nicole.
Je t'en prie.
She would say what?
Je vous en prie. Or je t'en prie.
Okay. But wouldn't she also say something much less formal to me, which would be what? De rien?
De rien.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. All right. All right. Well, thank you so much for clarifying and giving us all that vocabulary to get around in France.
For more resources on learning and teaching languages, to get on our mailing list, or to get the workbook for this course, be sure to visit reallifelanguage.com/reallifelanguageblog. If you enjoyed this episode, please be sure to subscribe and leave a rating.